Not everyone is called to this path, but you might be. A career built on respect, precision, and purpose. Mortuary Science. This is more than a course. It's a highly marketable profession with growing opportunities in hospitals, funeral homes, government institutions, and private practice. Imagine yourself working as a mortician, an embalmer, a forensic assistant, a trusted professional handling every life with dignity, even in their final journey. At Jordan College of Technology, Thika, we give you the skills, hands-on training, and confidence to step into this essential field. We offer a Diploma Level 6 for students with a minimum grade of C- and above, and a Certificate Level 5 for those with a D plane and above. And the best part? The April-May intake is now ongoing. Call us today on 0723 111 999 or 0722 916 072 or visit us at Jordan Towers, Elimu Center in Thika Town, or check out our website at www.jordancollege.ac.ke. Step into a career that is respected, needed, and impactful. Mortuary Science, your path to purpose starts here.